Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I've posted any videos, so for my 5 subscribers, thanks for sticking around. I really do appreciate you. I am going to be putting out more videos weekly now that winter's here and my job's a little bit slower. But what we got for you today is we got the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 made out of Technic Lego. This Technic set is number 42138. Has a 4.6 star rating on both Lego and Amazon.com, which if you go to the description below, you'll see an affiliate link for this Lego set on Amazon. Save yourself $10 and get overnight delivery. Unless you want to go to lego.com and get your points, you can save 10 bucks on Amazon. And the link is in the description below. So what we got here is a kit made out of 544 pieces, and it comes with the pullback motor kit. So it has dual motors right here, and it has a lever that if you remove the Cobra badge, you can hit the lever down and it will shoot across the floor, right? Well, my master Lego building skills, that lever kind of fell off when my grandson tried it, but the dual motor does work, and as expected, the Mustang hit a wall. There it goes. It's still trying to move on its own. Probably forgot to put it in park. The wheels, tires are rubber, and that's probably because obviously you want to have some grip with the dual motor system. These little red pegs hold the wheels on. There is no steering ability with this car. The functioning parts, it has the hood. That's the engine, and on the inside it has 2 seats and the steering wheel. The seats do move. And then on the back, you got your quad exhaust. You have your spoiler, which is non-functional. This piece right here, you want to remove to use your lever action, but clearly you don't have to. You can just pull it back and let it roll. This kit doesn't have much in detail for interior, but because of the engines, I'm assuming they had to cut weight. This kit, building it only took about, I don't know, 2 hours maybe for me. And I'm not a master builder, just hanging out, watching TV while building Legos. As for my rating on this, I'd probably give it a 4.5. It's a decent build. It's fun. Not everything functions as it should have, but then again, I'm not a professional builder. And decals for the windows, white stripes. These white stripes here, that's actually Lego, white Lego pieces, but those are white Lego pieces, but everything else is stickers. All right, guys, our Shelby GT500, how well will it fit on your display case? Well, let's do a quick measurement. The pullback motors want to keep going. Okay, here we go. It's about 5 inches wide, 11 inches long, and the roof line sits about 3 inches tall. So it's 11 by 5 by about 3.25 tall. Hope that gives you guys a good idea about where it can go on your display and how you can shove it. All right, guys, well, that does it for this review on the Shelby GT500. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's actually a fun build. I have an Indy car I got as well. I actually bought this from Costco about probably 8 months ago, and Costco had this and the Indy car for 2 for $30. Hella a super duper good deal. Never saw that deal again, but so I bought them. We'll put the Indy car together someday and I'll do a review on that. Maybe we'll do a live stream. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content. I got some really cool ideas I want to do with some of the vehicles, and I want to build some bigger sets as well. Hope you guys have a great day and keep on building.